Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Legends Nightcrawler from the X-Men 97 series. Itong figure natin stands around 6 inches tall. And shake test muna natin. Okay naman, wala namang loose na joint. So kapag bago yung figure, medyo mahigpit yung mga joints. So yung mga joints niya, kaya pwede nyo painitan using blower para medyo mag-loosen up yung mga joints for better articulation. So first, yung kanyang paint job. Okay naman yung paint job niya dito sa hair. Merong konting dry brushing. And very sharp yung paint application dito sa face. Ito yung isa pa niyang head sculpt. Okay, this is the more mas angry yung kanyang expression dito. Dito neutral lang. And then yung suit niya, color palette niya, inner suit pala ay black. And then meron siyang armor dito sa parang letter V na armor, some sort of shoulder or pauldron type of suit of armor pala, or shoulder pads na letter V. Color red siya. Yung red niya para siyang very matte na red. Tapos dito red paint yung ginamit nila. Dito kasi parang red na plastic eh. Tapos ginlu or inattach dito sa body. Yung body niya, gumamit sila ng black na stock na colored plastic for this. Okay. And then sa likod naman, you have the long tail. Very nice. Very flexible, so you can post this. Oh, nice. Naikot pa pala siya. Articulated din pala siya and very flexible. So you can post this na very dynamic. Okay. Sa plastic quality naman, these are very hard plastic. Ito naman medyo soft para hindi naghinder sa articulation. Okay. Ano po bang accessories nito? Ito pa, yung accessories niya, dalawang alt hands. Yung isa open hand, yung isang set open palms. Okay? So tatlo lang yung fingers ni Nightcrawler. Tapos sa ilalim meron din mga text or markings niya. And so again, color palette niya blue, black, red, white at saka apa ba? Yun na pala. Blue, black, yung inner suit niya black, tapos you have the armor red, the face niya is blue, and the tail is blue. Para siyang sky blue. Hindi siya primary blue. Very nice din yung color ng eyes. Para siyang yellowish na white. And then very dynamic hairstyle. Very nice segments na naka-wave papunta dito sa harap. Very sleek din. Tapos itong kanyang body mode, I think this is a template na ginagawa talaga ni Marvel Legends sa kanyang mga action figures. So this is one of the templates na ginagamit nila sa production ng kanilang mga action figures. So you have the muscle groups sa shoulders, sa ribs, sa legs. This is a very templated material. So ang naiiba lang, nagbabago lang sila ng mga design dito sa gauntlet, dito sa shoulder, and comparing it with Deadpool dito, based dun sa kanyang body mode, medyo iniiba-iba lang nila yung sizes. Compared kay Deadpool, mas slim si Nightcrawler. Yan. So in terms of articulation, head can go up, can look up, down, 360, tilt, yes. Hands can go 360, pero pagdating dito, move forward na siya konti. Kasi na-hinder yung articulation. Hindi naman siya matatanggal eh. Yan, ganyan lang. Okay. Tapos can move up. Shoulder rotation, arm rotation, double jointed. Very nice double jointed na elbow articulation. Ball joint yung kamay, move up, move in, move out. Okay, tapos you can also do some ab crunches, stretch, and twist, waist, and you can move the Pwede siyang sumipa, balik, kickback, leg rotation, tapos double jointed legs, may knee, meron ba itong na calf na ano, cut, walang calf dito sa may calf, and ball joint yung paa. I-post natin siya. So, testig ng ng articulation to ni Nightcrawler, super cool. So you can do some poses like this. This is a very nice addition sa inyong X-Men 97 na Marvel Legends collection. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.